everybody, it's me, Gazzi. How are you? Awesome. Okay, today we're going to learn the letter F. Can you say F with me? F. Good job. So we've had A, B, C, D, E, F. F is the sixth letter of the alphabet. F looks a little bit like an E. Do you remember the E? Well, we did this, but look, now I'm an F. See? So we're going to keep the same shape. We're going to go F, F, F. But F does not sound like E. It's a different letter. What animal do you know that begins with F? Do you know what this animal is? You do? What's this animal? Good job, it's a frog. So, let's go F, F, F. Frog, frog. No, that's not right. It's, what is it? Frog. F, f, f. Good. F, f, f. Frog. Oh, the frog sat down like this. Oh, frog. So it's got frog, frog, good job. What does a frog do? It goes boing, boing. Yeah, it jumps. So let's go F, F, F. F, f, f. Frog, frog, jump, jump, jump. Awesome work. Can you do it with me? You can? Awesome. Let's go. 3, 2, 1. F, F, F. F, f, f. Frog, frog. Jump, jump, jump. Oh, that's so difficult and hard work, guys. So, I will see you next time when we will do the next letter of the alphabet. I'm Gazzi and I'll see you again. Bye!